This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Our goal with our videos is to empower you to be able to do the repairs on your own and save a whole lot of money and also get that great feeling of having fixed it by yourself. Today we have an LG gas dryer that is not heating up, and this is a really quick and easy way to reset the system so that it'll heat up again. Make sure that you have it unplugged. By the way, this doesn't work on the electric heated dryers, just the gas heated dryers. And I'm going to pull it away from the wall a little bit, and then there's a hole here on the side that's covered with a plastic cover. You just pop the plastic cover off, you reach in, and there's a button in here that we're going to show you here in a second. Just press the button, and that's going to let it heat again. It's a reset button on a thermal fuse, so it got too hot for some reason and it shut off the dryer. Here's the little button, and it's this black button here attached to this thermal overload, and this is designed to protect the dryer so it doesn't get too hot. There's a picture of the diagram, and it's number M230, and it's the one that has a little button on it. Here's a picture of what it looks like. So make sure it's unplugged, because you don't want these wires to touch your finger, and just press the button and you're good to go. So we're hooking it back up and testing it, and we got really good heat. The reason though that it blows is probably because the vent tube is clogged with lint. So unless you correct the problem, it's just going to keep blowing over and over, and you have to just keep going through the same procedure. So make sure you clear out that vent tube and you're good to go. And that's all there is to it. So thanks so much for watching. Hope this helps you to get your LG gas dryer going. And please, if you get a chance, subscribe to our channel, and we'll send you some more cool repair videos. Thanks so much for watching.